How to put fractions on iPhone calculator. To get started, first of all go ahead and open up the calculator application on your iPhone. When you open the app, it may be in a different mode, such as the currency converter shown here. To change the mode, tap on the calculator icon located in the top right corner of the screen. A menu will appear with several options, including Basic, Scientific, Maths Notes, and Convert. From this list, simply tap on the Scientific option to switch the calculator's layout and functionality. Now, to get a fraction, tap on the following button as shown. This mode also includes advanced functions like logarithms, trigonometric and much more operations, and perform more complex calculations directly within the app. Following these steps, you can easily put fractions on an iPhone calculator. Thank you for watching. Please leave a like if this tutorial helped you, or leave a comment below if you have any questions related to the video.